Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Bartleby from True and the Rainbow Kingdom. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, we need to draw a bunch of circles for the eyes. So I'm going to come right here. We're going to start with a very big circle. So let's come about right there. And I'm just going to draw a big circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another one. There, got two big circles in. Now let's come back in and we're going to draw, let's see here, 1, 2, 3 more circles. So towards this edge more, we're going to come over here and draw another circle. So let's say about right here. I'm going to come towards my edge, really close to the edge, and draw another one. There, and then let's see, we're going to draw another one. So let's come back in. This one's right in the center of that circle. And then I'm going to come about right here and draw another circle for a highlight. And then we can shade this one all in black so we can see what's going on here. And when you're coloring, this part right here around the black circle will be the color of the eyes. There. Okay, so now we have to do the same thing on the other side. So really close to this part right here. You're going to come up just like the other side. Just make sure about right there and then come out. And connect. Okay, so then now we just draw another one in the center. This one's a little bit easier because we just need to put it right in the center. And it's black, so if I need to make it bigger, I can just keep going, right? And fix it. And then once again, we're going to put a highlight about right here and shade this all in. There, finally all done. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye and I'm just going to draw a soft curve and then, you know what, let's just thicken it up. Soft little curve and thicken it up. And so same thing on this side. So about right here. And thicken it up. There. And then in between the eyes, we're going to draw the little nose. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw a little curve, round it off, and connect it in the center. Our little nose right here. And then we're going to put a straight line down right here in the center. And then from there, I'm going to use this as my guide and go around the nose to draw an oval. There. Create this little oval around the nose. And then from there, I'm going to draw the mouth. So I'm going to come right about here to my oval and basically just going to thicken this line up here for the mouth. So I'm just going to go around my oval and create this curve. And then about right here, if I have enough space, I'll draw a curve right here for a tongue. And then shade this all in. There. So hopefully that looks like the mouth and it's happy, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the head. So I'm going to, let's see here, let's come to the top of our eye and close to the edge right here. I'm going to say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Same thing here. Using that as my guide, I'm just going to draw a curve around the eye. from there, I'm going to bring this curve up. So I'm going to go around the brow for the top of the head. And the top of the head is not that high. It's just kind of flat, actually. So I'm going to come about right here and bring it in. So flatten it out. Just draw this curve, just like the other side. Let's see, make sure I'm going out more to connect to here. And connect. There, so create this curve. Round it off a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this down a little bit more, and we're gonna pass the mouth. So let's bring this down. See about right there. About right there. And then in this area right here, I'm gonna start to bring it in. So the head shape is a little bit squarish. So about right there, and then bring it in with a big curve to connect. There. Okay, so finally done. Come back and make any adjustments you need. There. Then from there, let's come back to the top. About in this space right here, we're going to draw the ears. So sorry if I seem very unsure where my lines are going and kind of sketching it, because I am drawing pretty big and I just want to make sure I'm putting everything correctly before I finalize my lines. So same thing here on the other side. I'm just going to draw these ears, round it off, and bring it down. There. Okay, so finally done with the head. Oh, actually, you know what? We have whiskers to draw. So let's go about right here. And we're just going to draw 2 whiskers. One, and then a shorter one. So same thing on the other side. About right here. Bring it out, and then a shorter one. Okay, so finally done with the head. Now for the body. So thank goodness the body is much simpler. We're going to come right underneath the mouth, about right here and here. And I'll just draw a soft angle line coming down right there. And then we're going to round it off to connect everything. So round it off and connect for the body. Then from there, let's draw some legs. So I'm going to come about right here. Angle. So Bartleby has some long legs. So about right here, I'll stop. And about right there, I'll round everything off at the bottom and connect. And I'll have the other leg kind of on the side right here. So let's say about right here. I'm going to angle. Round everything off and connect there. And okay, so then now we're done with that. Let's draw the arms. So I'm going to come about right, I'm just going to draw this part first and make it easier. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve there. And then so now I know to just come up about right here to thicken everything up for these arms. So round it off. And we'll bring it in, and then about right here, you're just going to draw a curve. Nice and simple, right? So same thing here. We'll just draw this curve first, and then come back out to thicken everything up. So round it off, and a curve, bring it down. There. And then of course we need to draw a tail, so about right here. Just going to draw a curve coming out and thicken it up and bring it in there. And of course I'm going to add a heart right in the center to make this my draw so cute Bartleby from True and the Rainbow Kingdom. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope I helped you draw this cute cat and that you love the drawing I did of True as well. And thank you for requesting Bartleby. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.